Proferred carries an assortment of hand tools to get the job done right. From the occasional DIYer to the professional, we've got you covered. Proferred carries 5 different aviation snips with varying cut styles to suit your cutting needs. We carry a straight, right, left, notch, and long cut style, ensuring a clean cut. The yellow snips, including the straight, notch, and long snips, give varying straight cut lengths. The red snips, designed to cut any straight line and on a curve, removing waste material from the left side. The green snips, designed to cut any straight line and on a curve, removing waste material from the right side. Proferred's aviation snips can cut a wide range of metals and materials, cutting up to 1.2 mm cold rolled steel or 0.7 mm stainless steel, also meeting the industry specification ANSI standards. The snips have alloy steel blades with serrated edges, which are induction hardened and forged in chrome moldy denim. Proferred's aviation snips also have a quick and easy spring-free latch design for one-hand use for when the tough gets going. The TPR Comfort Grip adds superior gripping power and is built to last. The aviation snips can be used on sheet metal, plastics, ducts, metal thresholds, and vinyl, to name a few, making it a versatile tool to keep in your arsenal. Suitable for many professions and industries alike, typically used in construction, automotive body repair, HVAC repair installation, home repair, and remodeling. For more information regarding Proferred's aviation snips, please contact your nearest distributor or visit us at www.brightonbest.com.